I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way that I do my polygel nails with nail tips, and I'm also going to be testing out this Modelones nail polish kit that I got. So if you guys like this video, please stay tuned. So first off, you guys see me just roughing up my nail surface, taking off that shine, and I'm using my DIY dehydrator. And basically, to make your own dehydrator at home, you need 1 part 91% alcohol and 1 part 100% acetone. And you need those to be equal parts. You mix those together, and that's your DIY dehydrator. And I've been using this for a while, and it works really good. And then next, you guys see me basically taking a little alcohol wipe and kind of wiping off my nails. And here I am trimming down these tips. These are stiletto tips that I got from Amazon. I can't remember the brand, but I will leave it in the description below. I got these a couple months ago. Y'all know we're in the quarantine, and y'all know everybody is just going crazy buying everything, and it's hard to find so many things lately because of people just buying everything and reselling them for super expensive prices. So it was a miracle to find these, but basically I was just trimming them down and fitting each of them to my nails. And then I'm going to clip them before I actually put them on. And a good tip to use for trimming your tips is to use a pair of dull cuticle nippers. They really come in handy. And then I just have this glue from Dollar Tree. It's not nail glue technically, it's super glue, but I love it because it's in the squeeze bottle. It makes it really easy to apply, and I don't know, like at first I thought it was damaging my nails, but this time I took it off and it didn't really damage my nails. So I don't know if there was something weird that I was doing when I was putting them on. But I like to put on my nail tips by holding them down so that they kind of go downward, so that I get kind of that C curve. You don't want to put them on and have them go like straight out or straight up, because that's kind of odd and it doesn't really look too good. So I would suggest against doing that. But if that's what you like, then do it. But I do find that me putting them on this way helps them last a bit more. And so after I got those on, I'm going to trim them down. I wanted them to be kind of coffin. And so like a coffin shape or like a ballet slipper. So I'm just trimming them down. I don't like them very long. I cannot wear very long nails because I work from home, and my job basically requires me to be on the computer all day, and I'm always typing, and I do have a gaming keyboard, so I don't want my nails to go into my keyboard, and it's very frustrating. And then I'm just taking my nail drill and kind of trimming them on the sides and filing them down a little bit on top so that they're a little bit smoother. And you guys will see it later. I'm not going to show it in the video, but I did kind of slant them with the cuticle nippers to get more of that coffin shape, but right now you can't really see that where we are. And also, you guys can see I always leave my thumbs for last. I don't like to do my thumbs because it's difficult to pick up all the tools and stuff with your thumbs on, so I always leave those for last. So that's a good tip for you guys also. So here are my nails on both sides. I just, did the other hand off screen. And so now I'm pouring in my 91% alcohol into my little Dollar Tree tequila shot glass, and I'm taking more of that dehydrator and dehydrating my nails again and dehydrating the actual tips. And now I'm going in with my Makartt base gel, and I'm putting that on my nails and the other nails, which I'm not sure if you should do that, but I was watching Nails by Vic, and she kind of did that. I don't know if she did it on purpose, but I was like, let me try it. And then I kind of went off camera to cure my nails, and now I'm going in with that Makartt white polygel on my pinky, which I don't like the consistency of the white Makartt. This is my Makartt kit that I use all the time. I don't like that white. The consistency of the white is very sticky, and I just do not like it. The clears, the pinks, the nudes, all the other ones in the Makartt kit are great, but this one was just too sticky for me. So this is what I would suggest you use this white to mix it in with like a clear if you're doing like a milky color, or if you're mixing it with something else, but it was just too sticky and I did not like it. So I would not recommend using it unless it's different for the bigger bottles, because this was the kit one. And so then I just apply the polygel to my nails and like that. I don't want to dip it out or anything like that. I just put it directly on the nail. And I did do this a little bit better than I did other times when I did my polygel nails. Sometimes I'm still learning, so I'm still trying to figure out how to get the perfect consistency and the perfect amount and all those kind of things, which is kind of difficult. But the more that you do your nails, the more, like, the easier it becomes, honestly. And that's my nails all done. So now I'm going in with these little alcohol pads and wiping the tacky surface off of them. And I'm going in with my Makartt buffing sponge block, whatever you call it, and filing those down, getting those kind of smooth, and also filing them more into that coffin ballet slipper shape. And I brushed off my nails, and then I'm going back in with a file to shape them up a little bit more to get them to that exact shape that I wanted. I'm sorry it kind of goes out of frame. And then I wiped it off with my makeup brush. And then I did my other hand. This is me doing my right hand, which is my dominant hand, which I struggle with, but it's been a little bit easier to do it. Like I said, practice makes perfect, and I'm nowhere near perfect yet, but it does help to practice doing it on both hands. And I think this is the dark pink that I'm using from the Makartt kit, but I'm not sure. And then I think I'm about to go and put my nails. I cured those in the lamp. And then this is me wiping them off again with the alcohol pad and, shaping them, buffing them, doing all those things that I did on the other hand. And then I wipe them with the alcohol pad again. And now's the time for the colors. This is the Modelones kit with a bunch of these summery colors. I love Modelones, and I'm going to be using the Modelones base coat and the top coat. So this is me just putting the Modelones base coat on all over the nail, and then I cured it. And I really wanted a nice, pretty yellow. I love it. So now I'm going in with the yellow nail polish. I love yellow. It just really makes me think of summer. And I really wanted a kit that had a nice yellow in it. So I got this Modelones. It was about $10 on Amazon. I will link it down below. There are 7 colors in the kit. Lots of very pretty summer springy colors. And I put about 2 coats of that yellow on. And then I decided to go with my design. So I have some clear jewels and some yellow green ones, and I have these little stickers. This sticker was so hard to get to place on my nail. Like, it kept popping off, and it was so annoying, but eventually I got it to stick. And the way that I stick my crystals is just using that the top coat, which I know I should probably get one that's designated for doing this, but I haven't done that yet. I haven't really needed to. And then I just put this clear gem in the middle, and I basically put it on the nails that I want to attach things to. And then I just put it on all of my nails, and of course I cured it. And then moving on to my right hand, it was a little difficult trying to get them out the way that I wanted to, but I just decided that I was going to put the nails in a little division, kind of like a division between the nails, kind of like a French tip, but not really, in the middle with these gems. I want to get different shapes of gems, but I haven't. And these kept sliding around, and it was very, very frustrating because they kept sliding, and it was very annoying. And then I put those in the light to cure. And then I just gave them another coat, and I just put this this is bad. I just put this oil on my hands to kind of moisturize on my cuticles and stuff like that. then I'm just using my Utterly Smooth hand cream, which is probably one of the best hand creams, and they sell it at Dollar Tree for $1. And this is what my nails look like in the end. And this is again the Modelones kit with 7 gel polishes. I can't remember if it had a name or not. And that was me struggling to open it. And these are the colors. You got a nice pink, purple, blue, and orange. The yellow, of course, a teal, and a darker pink. And yeah. If you guys want more, if you guys want me to do some more nail videos, definitely let me know. I'll definitely have those out for you guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.